TIZA is changing the lives of thousands of kids around the world. You can take the most boring, unengaged class and turn it to be the loudest and rowdiest class you will ever see in your life. Here is some footage.
OK， 下一个给他们猜。Small mammal, long ears.
不是。To see the children learning in a fun and dynamic way. They're enthusiastic and happy and motivated, learning together with their teachers.
Divirtiéndose y lo más importante, creciendo en el amor a Dios.
And also, this has saved me personally so much time because a lot of times I'm typing on Google or even in front of the kids saying math work games or all these other things, and I find that I have to have multiple logins left and right. But in this way, I have options, and that's really important when you're in the classroom with the kids, just trying to do the most important part, which is to educate them and also make it fun for them to learn the topic.
TIZA helps teachers to reduce lesson planning while increasing student engagement by uploading any inputs, AI processing, and then we play games. Alright, so we're on the Wikipedia page of corgi dogs. These cute corgi dogs from England, right? Queen Elizabeth's favorite. We're going to take the URL, we're going to copy it, and we're going to paste it into the TIZA platform. So you can choose any grade, and keep in mind, right, you can do a URL, you can do a document like a PDF, a PowerPoint, right? You can just put in text if you want. Well, bam, you're done. So if you're a teacher and you want fun, gamified activities for your kids, it can take hours to create really good ones. Wheel of Fortune Jeopardy, right, it takes a substantial amount of time to create, even with the latest and greatest of tools. So the TIZA platform is to make your life easy as a teacher and spotlight you as a hero of the classroom. In addition, you can choose any languages you want. So if you want Arabic, you want Spanish, you want Chinese, French, right? You have to do this before the generation. All right, so we have our inputs. This is what the teacher will see, not what the students. So you have black and tan, okay? And if you don't like the image, you can change them. So this is what we call the human in the loop solution. Okay, we have sable. So I don't even know what that is, but if you don't want your kids learning about this, you can just delete it. If you have questions and answers, right? So cardigan, Welsh corgi. You have categories, and categories are great because some kids, they don't know a lot of the places, geography very well, right? They forget the main characters. They don't know the main concepts. So let's start with a nice warm-up game, like the whack-a-mole. Right? Whack-a-mole is like going to a carnival with a hammer, and you hit the mole when it pops up. So what you do is you read the hint. A dog's natural disposition or character. So that's wrong. Alright, let's wait at the temperament. County in Wales where the bread originated. Let's try this one. Alright, so we can play a few more games. Let's say the puzzle pizza. This is the most popular game for kids. And you can compete against two people, right? They can put, right, here we go. So player 2 wins, alright? Right, we've got other classic games like Wonder Wheel. Right, this is a very fun game, right? You spin the wheel, you have to guess what the word is. So if you want some hints, right? Usually we like guessing vowels, A, E, E. Might get wrong, we'll spin it again. All right, here we go. We got this. Oh, we got black and tan. There we go. Straight from vocabulary. Okay. So category collector. So the first one is geography. You want places, cities. Okay, good. United States. This is where corgis are from. Where else? Maybe Wales? Maybe Wales? Alright, so now this category are key people, key individuals. So let's say Queen Elizabeth, Stanley Corbin, or what else? Now this category, key events, Corby meetups. So you guys understand the main point, right? So the StoryStacker is where you place all 10 scenes in the chronological timeline. So, let's see. Oh, this is probably last. Nope, maybe second last. Voila, here we go. All in chronological order.
The best certified teachers leverage Bloom's taxonomy in the classroom. Most education tech platform focuses on memorization on the bottom, but we leverage understanding, analysis, and application in the classroom. So we look at other psychological paradigms, such as gamification, right? You train a dog through positive reinforcement, it works well with your kids. And if they apply the knowledge, it will retain their long-term memory. So this promotes active learning in the classroom. So we look at other benefits within TIZA, right? It's plug and play, it's fast, it's extremely collaborative. You can do any topic, geography, history, religion, right? The kids get instant feedback and it promotes higher level thinking. And the best of all is that it makes you the hero of the classroom as the teacher. And if the kids have fun, you will have fun as well. You can also share these as homework and track the progress of your students. So this offsets the grading for you. So, thank you very much for your time. We appreciate it. God bless to you all. Thank you very much.